In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon gift card balance. This is an incredibly simple process, but one that can come in handy whenever you're planning some online shopping or just curious about how much is left to spend from your last gift card. We'll take it step by step so that you can easily follow along and get an accurate idea of your available funds. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Amazon account. Head over to Amazon.com and enter your login credentials. This includes your email address and your secure password. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to do that first. But for today's purpose, we're assuming you've already got one. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on Amazon's homepage. Now, Amazon has a lot going on, so it's important to focus on just one part of the page to minimize distractions. Next, navigate to your account section. If you look towards the top right corner of the page, you'll see a section labeled Accounts and Lists. This is essentially your hub for all things related to your account management and preferences. Hover your cursor over this section, or if you're on a mobile device, simply tap it. A drop-down menu should appear, giving you a range of options to choose from. Now, let's access your gift card information. In that drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Your Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you can manage many aspects of your Amazon experience, from orders to subscriptions. But what we're interested in today is the Payment section. Under Payment, you'll find a choice that says Gift Cards. Click on that to move on to the next step. What you'll see now is the Gift Cards page, which neatly organizes all related information. Right at the top of this section, you should see Your Gift Card Balance. Here, Amazon displays your current balance, giving you an exact figure of what's available to spend. This can include any currently loaded gift cards or promotional credits that you might have. It's always a good practice to check this balance before making any purchases, to avoid surprises at checkout. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily check your Amazon gift card balance anytime you need. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for anyone who regularly uses gift cards or plans to do so. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy shopping!